We're here at AWS reInvent Las Vegas. Let's see what's shaping the future of AI and cloud. Hey everyone, I'm Jordan from Goanna Capital, leading business development across our Go Grow and Go Hired initiatives. We're here at AWS reInvent to meet the people building what's next in AI and cloud, and to show how Goanna helps founders with capital, customers, and talent. All right, let's walk the floor and see some of the companies shaping the future of infrastructure, AI, and developer tools. Let's take a look. We're here at the Anthropic booth. Give us the breakdown.
We show a couple of things here. We're basically trying to analyze if we should acquire this specific company on Vercel. So we do a couple of things here. We do a bit of market research about this company. Where does it fit into the market? How is it doing to similar competitors? We then go ahead and build a DCF model here. We've created a skill, so this new kind of paradigm that we introduced about a month ago, where it's basically a file folder that includes prompts and scripts that Claude understands how to read and execute, so it can do really specialized tasks in a consistent and repeatable way.
That's perfect. Yeah, man. That's perfect.
I can't. Yeah. This is AWS reInvent. Once in a lifetime.
I love it. So what's Cribl building right now?
So Cribl is the data control plane, that engine for all of your IT and security data, now also for your AI data, right? So we enable the decoupling of all of the sources that generate data in your environment, logs, events, metrics, traces, etc., from the destinations that they go to. So we optimize your destinations like Splunk and Datadog and all of these other SIM and APM tools. We optimize it by filtering and sending only what you need where you need it. And we can transform, redact, route, and implement even AI components in the stream before your data ever hits your backend to optimize not only your cost, but your insights and all of your alerting and detections, etc. What is new and coming is our double downing on the AI piece of landing data that is AI ready for your agentic future, right? So one thing is landing security data in your CrowdStrike NG, your Microsoft Sentinel, and your Google SecOps with a cybersecurity schema and format optimized for detection and response. Another thing is landing logs, metrics, and traces in a way that your APM tools can get SRE or business insights out of your applications, right? Optimize performance monitoring, etc., to make sure your business is running as it should. A third pillar or aspect of this is AI data, right? These agentic AI tools that are being implemented across the industry actually require data at scale and a lot of data to learn and to make decisions with the proper context. That data needs to land in a different schema with a different type of context enrichment, tags, sharding, all of this stuff in a way that is very different from what tools like Datadog or tools like Google SecOps and CrowdStrike NG need to have to perform their function.
We're here at Arctic Wolf, and we're here with
Nick Ryan.
Nick Ryan. Nice to meet you. And what do you do with Arctic Wolf?
Yeah, so I'm the AWS Alliance Manager for the EMEA region. The relationship with AWS continues to go from strength to strength. We've got a major new strategic partnership with them, or we've taken it to the next level, which is going to bring a lot of investment into the organization. but fundamentally it's going to help us go to market, bring new routes to market in terms of how we transact with our customers, help us reach more customers and be relevant to more customers, and also more of our partners as well. So yeah, really exciting.
What about as far as AI tools yourself? Like anything you're using that's helping workflow?
Yeah, I mean, we recently integrated Copilot into everything we do.
We're here at AWS reInvent, and one thing that I'm really excited about today is to connect with some developer relations engineers that I've been speaking with virtually. I love in-person interaction. Being able to meet people in person is a huge benefit to conferences like reInvent. And what I'm really looking forward to is learning how community builders are enhancing community events like this, but also in more of an intimate way. We're currently at a conference with 65,000 people. So how are they now advocating for each other to have more beneficial connections and conversations? So for me, that's what I'm looking forward to today.
How you doing?
Hi,
What's your name?
Michaela.
Michaela? Jordan.
Hi, what's going on here?
We're doing a little video. We just want to learn more about Databricks.
Okay, actually, the best people to talk to are these guys.
Oh, these are the guys. Okay. What do you guys do for the company?
We are Scale Solutions Engineers.
Okay,
So we basically
solutions
leverage
engineers.
Feature enablement.
Okay, so give me the breakdown. What does Databricks do? What are you solving?
Well, we're trying to centralize everything data related. So we want to run your analytics, your engineering, data science. So we're pretty much trying to bring everything together in a single platform, right? So we want you to do everything in our.
And what are the big challenges that you face doing this?
What are the big challenges, like in creating a big pipeline? Like the different data sources, the volumes of data, the different use cases. So it's a good challenge to have, right? Because we need to keep innovating and doing new stuff, creating new features. So
Right.
that will be the challenge, but we look forward to it. So,
Yeah. What kind of trends are you seeing in the industry? What's catching on?
It's like the latest thing that's coming out, right? Everyone wants to be up to date with agents.
Agents. Everyone's talking agents.
Everyone. You can see all the booths. Everything has agents on it.
Right. All right, we're here with Owen. Just walked out of the Eon booth. Give us a little takeaway.
Yeah, sounds like a great team. Just raised $300 million of Series D funding. All the sales people we spoke with and customer success managers emphasized the importance of their team to really double down over the next 6 to 12 months. And it's going to be a really sprint across all threads, hiring, customer support, everything. And so very excited for them and to continue to build a relationship with their team and see how their growth journey goes with the new round.
Johnny with Supabase.
Jordan, and what do you do with the company?
I work in tech partnerships, mainly with AI builders and helping different folks learn how to use Supabase effectively.
So tell me about Supabase. What are you guys building at Supabase?
Supabase is a Postgres database platform. So think about Amazon RDS or Aurora. They only provide a database, right? Where Supabase comes in and provides a ton of value is these other capabilities around the database. So think about storage, authentication, real time. These are all different capabilities that somebody needs to build a true database and be able to scale it effectively. And so it's a platform as a service.
I like it. And it's finding some traction?
100%. We recently got our Series E funding. We're now valued at $5 billion. And we're growing quite quickly, especially a lot with the startups. I think we do business with over 70% of the YCs. We're making fantastic inroads in the enterprise space. And we are accelerating growth at a phenomenal pace.
And where do you see the momentum? Or what are the trends that you kind of agree with or disagree with in the whole AI AI space?
You know, in the whole AI space, my purview is more in the AI builder space, working a lot with folks like the Lovables and the Replets and the Bolts and the Vercels of the world. I see a big opportunity in folks that are non-traditional developers having the opportunity now to become a full builder and get their vision out there into the world. And I think that that's really exciting.
That's good. All right, so what tools are you using to help build with AI? What are kind of the things that are helping the workflow out?
Two tools that I really use today. One of them is Lovable. I've got to give credit to them. They make it extremely easy for you to spin up a production application in seconds. And for me, I use it a lot with partners to be able to track different partner revenue metrics and ensure that we're making progress against our goals. And so it's one of those things that saves me a lot of time and adds a ton of value.
That's what it's all about.
Yeah.
Adding value, baby.
Like I said, left is brake, right is gas. It's an automatic, so don't worry about shifting.
Oh, no shifting? Okay.
Yes. And then when I start it, just follow the green line.
All right, yep.
I'm good. You don't need that.
Oh no. What was your name? Your name is Derek, right? And what do you do with the Vercel?
I am a solutions architect on the V0 team.
Okay. So tell us what you're building with Vercel. What are the things you're solving with Vercel? The big challenges?
Yeah. So I would say like the biggest thing with Vercel is that we simply make it really easy for you to create the most performant AI or web applications, right? And I think like to show off like what that would look like, I'm going to pull up V0, which is our flagship AI web development agent.
Okay.
So, and what you're going to get is I'm going to go from prompt to deployment in a couple of minutes, right? I think there's a F1 car like right here. So you can literally go from prompt deployment faster than you can complete 2 laps in this F1 car.
No kidding.
Yeah.
Any other big differentiating factors from Vercel to the competition?
Like I think like we have a big emphasis on like user experience.
Yeah.
Like I mean, there's so many people who have come up to me like today at this booth saying like we love Vercel. And I asked them like, what do you love about Vercel specifically? It's like it's just easy, right? We don't want managing your web infrastructure or thinking about like how an AI should work to sort of get in the way of you actually shipping out products that your customers will delight in.
That's great. Wow, what a week. Thanks for hanging with us at reInvent. Huge energy, amazing people. Remember to like, subscribe, comment below, and don't miss what's coming next from Goanna Capital.